I prefer to do the drawing without lifting my pencil from my board. I keep looking and drawing at the same time. The basic color for my skies is King's Blue Light. Has been for quite some time now. The colors I add to the King's Blue can change from time to time. At the moment it's Scheveningen Blue Deep, and of course Titanium White. Thanks to the liquid light gel, yesterday's layer is already dry, and that means I can do a first layer of Royal Talent's transparent white. It's exactly what it says it is. It's transparent and it's white. When you add just a hint of color, in this case violet gray, you can paint transparent layers of color that still have a little body. Painting these details is so much fun. With a few brushstrokes the cloud comes alive and it's beginning to look like a real cloud. Okay, this is about finished. Or is it? I'm awful, I know. Those of you who are just interested in the layering technique can stop watching now. The rest of this video is about how I could have saved myself a lot of work if I knew when to stop. With my cloth, I remove the paint to create a row of dunes in the distance. I could have saved the shape of the dunes when I did the horizon, but this is easier. In my view, making a good cloud painting is mostly about light and color. The layering technique can be really helpful to get you there. Other than that, all you need is a little perseverance. In the words of the poet Samuel Beckett, ever tried, ever failed, try again, fail better.